Welcome back to my channel Technology in the Future. Today, we're diving into the latest rumors and leaks about the GoPro Hero 13 and discussing why you might want to hold off on buying the GoPro Hero 12. Let's explore whether the upcoming Hero 13 is worth the wait and the hype surrounding it. The GoPro Hero 12 introduced several enhancements, including longer battery life, 10-bit log video, timecode syncing, and improved stabilization. Despite these upgrades, many viewed it as a minor update rather than a groundbreaking release. Now, less than a year later, rumors about the GoPro Hero 13 are spreading, and while nothing is officially confirmed, we will analyze whether the Hero 13 can truly revolutionize the action camera market. The Hero 13 is anticipated to be GoPro's most advanced camera to date. Expected features include 5K video recording at 30 frames per second, enhanced stabilization, improved photo resolution, and extended battery life. GoPro typically introduces a new version of its hypersmooth stabilization technology annually, so the Hero 13 will likely feature Hypersmooth 7.0, offering even greater stability than previous models. A potential upgrade from the GP2 processor to the GP3 is also on the horizon, along with improved Bluetooth audio support for smoother wireless connections. While little information has been revealed about the Hero 13's design, based on past releases, significant changes to the camera body are unlikely. Some users hope for an articulating screen. The Hero 12 captured 27 mpRAW images and recorded 5.3 video at 60 frames per second. In contrast, the Hero 13 is expected to significantly improve upon these capabilities, with rumors suggesting 8K video resolution and 32 MP photo capture. Additional video features may include scheduled capture, duration capture, ProTune, and RAW photo capture. The camera is likely to retain HDR and G-Log settings, with potential refinements for better compatibility. An enhanced processor is anticipated for the Hero 13. Previous models used the GP2 processor introduced in 2021. Following GoPro's release pattern, a new GP3 processor may power the Hero 13, potentially improving overall performance. No official release date has been announced yet, but based on previous GoPro release timelines, the camera may be available in September this year, with some sources suggesting September 15 as a potential launch date. The Hero 13 might see a price increase. While the Hero 12 starts at $300, the upcoming model is rumored to be priced at $475, with some speculating a more competitive price point of $425. Can the Hero 13 live up to the hype? If the rumors prove true, Hero 13 could be a significant advancement. Features like 8K video and 4K image capture could be game changers for an action camera. Improved battery life and potential AI-powered noise reduction for better low-light performance are also promising. However, given past experiences with issues like overheating and minimal improvements in the Hero 12, fans remain cautious about the upcoming release. If the rumored specifications are accurate, the Hero 13 could make a strong impact on the camera market. The combination of high-quality photo and video capabilities with extended battery life is enticing for action camera enthusiasts. Only time will tell if the camera can meet the high expectations surrounding it. In conclusion, while the GoPro Hero 12 brought some improvements, the Hero 13 promises to take things to the next level. With potential features like 8K video resolution, enhanced stabilization, and a new processor, it could be a game changer in the action camera market. However, as always, it's important to approach these rumors with caution until official announcements are made. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Technology in the Future and share this video with your friends. Stay tuned for more updates and tech news.